How to fix Realtek audio issues after Windows 11 24H2 update. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check audio output device. Ensure the correct audio output device is selected in your system settings. Under Output, make sure your Realtek audio device is selected. Adjust the volume and check if sound is working. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooter that can detect and resolve common audio issues automatically. If that didn't work. Solution 3. Update Realtek drivers. Sometimes, the latest drivers can resolve compatibility issues that Windows Update did not address. Right-click your Realtek audio and select Update driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Restart your computer after the update is installed. Solution 7. Perform a system restore. If the issue began after the update and no solutions have worked, performing a system restore to a point before the update might resolve the issue. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Your computer will restart as required.